Welcome to my channel. My name is Aletha. If you're new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber or returning viewer, welcome back. The last time I posted a video was years ago. A whole video. I've been recently posting little shorts. And I know I promised from my last video that I was going to post more often, but life got really busy with school, work, kids, and life and traveling, which I'm not complaining. Life's been good, thank God. But I decided I'm going to get back to posting again on YouTube, so here we go. I recently got this from the TikTok shop. It's a 2-in-1 steamer and hair and facial steamer. So because I did become a licensed cosmetologist in 2023, so I currently do hair, skin, and nails. I also had a daycare, so like all of those things kept me busy over the last few years. So this is just one of my supplies that I just recently got. I've seen a lot of good reviews of it on TikTok shop, and so I decided to give it a try. So let's go. Came with a instructional user menu, a warranty card, and this, I'm guessing this is what connects it to this. I think this is for the facial extension, but we'll figure that out once I read the menu, which I haven't done yet, but yeah. This is the part for the hair. Hey. Hey. And the, what's this called? Water tank.
Only on her hair. Her hair is more crisper than hers. Hey, what did you just say?
Came with a little note warning you that water might be in it from factory testing. So this is the water tank. Water. So let's plug it in, see how it works.
Can I have the box now?
Not yet, my darling. So put it together. Okay. Bring me the extension cord, please.
What?
Okay, so this part goes with the hood. It's very easy to hold together. So this goes here, and here, just align that, and push down. Alright, and then this part aligns with this part. So there's these connecting sliding thingy that goes with this part. You can just align it on top of each other, like this. So that's the hood. That was so easy to put together. So cool. So this just aligns up there and voila. Voila. And then the water goes in here. And then your client sits under it. and get their hair steamed. When you put a treatment in their hair, or when you're doing your conditioning process and you just want to deep condition their hair. Cool. I'm so excited to use this with my clients. And my daughters. And myself, of course. Okay, let's try the other extension for me. It is to put together, like, cause when you have a client coming and you need to set up between clients, you don't want to take too much time, especially if you had a facial, and then next you have hair treatment. It's easy. Did you guys see that? I didn't even explain that. So this is the facial part. Just to get, I think you can use this for hair too, cause like, I don't know, this part is for the facial. And then rotates. This is so cool. And then you can adjust this up, down, depending on how much steam you want, I think. I need to read the manual. But yeah, that was easy. Well, thanks for hanging out with me today. Again, my name is Aletha, and have a wonderful rest of your day.
Are you sure you finished the video?
Oh yeah, and then you get to turn it on by pushing the steam. When you're done, you turn that part off.
Sure it's steaming.
Sure it's steaming?
Yeah. But what about this part?
I already tried it. Okay, so my kids want us to see the steam come out. Give me a bottle of water, please.
Water.
Give me
Yeah,
the water.
water is over there.
Give me the water. You're the
Yes.
assistant.
Baby,
Okay, it's off. I'm gonna put some water in.
I want it.
Okay.
Here?
Yep.
Yes.
Gentle. Water, we're closing it up.
It's scary.
And then we'll turn it on. And then
Where is
open
it
this.
steaming?
It's not gonna come out right away. It takes a little while. Looks like the water is starting to boil, and eventually it's gonna start steaming. So just waiting. You can see the bubbles in there. And look at the water. You see it?
Yeah.
Oh my
Is it-
goodness.
It's
That's
hot.
crazy. And the steam. Yep, leave it to my kids to do that. Let's see. So if you were laying under, ooh, that's hot. Don't ever touch this part, it's hot. Of course, because it's boiling water.
That's what it
So when you
said.
kind of like,
It
you
said
know,
don't ever touch it.
it's steam. Oh my goodness, it feels so good.
I want to try it. I want to try. I want
And then this, it rotates. I heard it rotates. Yeah, this head part, you can turn it that way, this way, that way, that way. If your client is in the air, the steam can go to them.